Simple ways how to make trending AI photo from Google Gemini AI. First, go to Google and search Google Gemini. Pag lumabas na yung Google Gemini, just press it. Ganyan yung lalabas, tapos may greetings, hello, and your name. At dyan sa may arrow, may makikita kayong plus sign na asking for an image and go to your gallery. So, choose the best picture in your gallery. And then, pag na-upload na dyan, meron kayong ika-copy-paste. At ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section yan. And then, just enter. So, babasahin na yan ng Google Gemini at wait for a sec. Hintayin natin yung result ng ating AI photo. Just be patient kasi maganda talaga yung kalalabasan yan. So, eto yung napili ko, yung picture ng aking daughter. So, eto na nga yung kinalabasan niya. Sobrang awesome. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Maki-trending na. Nandiyan na ang tutorial. At again, ilalagay ko sa comment section yung ika-copy-paste. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy and mwah. Ayan na, na-download na at pwede nang i-post sa ating Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. Enjoy!